How to add Doordash to CarPlay. So, unfortunately, there's no native Doordash app available for CarPlay. CarPlay currently does not directly support third party delivery driver applications like Doordash due to its focus on navigation, communication, and entertainment. However, there are alternative strategies you can employ to effectively use Doordash while driving and connected to CarPlay, which would be explained in this video. So, CarPlay's ecosystem is carefully created by Apple to prioritize driver safety and minimize distractions. The approval process for apps is stringent and it favors apps that directly enhance the driving experience through navigation, communication, and entertainment. DoorDash, primarily a delivery platform, does not neatly fit into these categories. While navigation is involved, the core functionality of accepting orders, viewing details, and marking deliveries is not deemed essential for safe driving by Apple. So therefore, a dedicated DoorDash app specifically designed for CarPlay is unlikely in the foreseeable future. Workarounds for this would be using Apple Maps, Google Maps, or Waze via CarPlay for navigation. CarPlay shines as a navigation tool. After accepting a delivery in the DoorDash app on your phone, you can use the address provided to input the destination into Apple Maps, Google Maps, or Waze, all of which are fully compatible with CarPlay. Second thing you can do is to leverage your Siri voice command. So, Siri, Apple's voice assistant, can be activated through CarPlay. While you can't directly control the DoorDash app using Siri, you can use it for related tasks. So, for example, you can say things like, "Hey Siri, call customer's name." If you have the customer's number saved in your contacts, which DoorDash often provides upon delivery completion. Remember that all interactions with your phone, including your Siri, should be minimized and performed safely when parked. Third thing you can do is through Bluetooth connectivity for audio. Even if you're not using CarPlay navigation, connecting your phone to your car via Bluetooth allows you to listen to audio from your phone through your car speakers. This means you can hear navigation prompts from your chosen app even if it's running on your phone and not directly through CarPlay. Another thing you can do is use a phone mount. Secure a phone mount for safely accessing the DoorDash app. Another thing you can do is to utilize wireless CarPlay adapters. Some aftermarket adapters allow for wireless CarPlay connectivity. While this does not directly solve the DoorDash app issue, it makes transmitting between using the DoorDash app on your phone and navigating with CarPlay seamless. And that is how to add DoorDash to CarPlay.